Want to make your videos more accessible and engaging? Descript's automatic captioning feature is your solution. Here's how you can generate accurate, perfectly synced captions in just a few clicks. First, open your Descript project and import your video by dragging it into the workspace. Once your video uploads, Descript will automatically transcribe the audio. You'll see the transcript appear as editable text next to your video. To turn this transcript into captions, click on the Captions tab at the top of the interface. Next, select Add Captions to Video. Descript will instantly overlay the text onto your video, syncing each line to the corresponding audio. You can customize the style by choosing font, color, and background to match your brand or preference. To ensure everything's accurate, play through your video and edit any misheard words directly in the transcript. The captions update in real time. When satisfied, export your video with captions embedded or as a separate subtitle file. With Descript, adding captions is quick, easy, and ensures your message reaches everyone.